This is the primary reason I'm in Samoa. I was invited to co-facilitate the session demonstrating and guiding participants as they made their own Fangufangu. This workshop is part of the Tala Heritage Talanoa Sessions, a national initiative by the Tiapapata Art Centre supported by UNESCO. The project brings together practitioners, community members and youth to safeguard endangered cultural knowledge and revive traditional practices across Samoa. This first session focused on the Fangufangu, the Samoan nose flute, one of 5 heritage practices being preserved through hands-on workshops in Talanoa. Although I wasn't able to film the opening Talanoa, this video captures the heart of the making process, where stories, skills and culture comes alive.
I'm trying to do my best. Or it starts here and goes this way.
Yeah, do the second one.
I start here and I go that way.
Yeah, but try not, just make sure you don't damage this. Yeah. Careful, be careful. Let's see. It'd be good if you could try to make the holes bigger.
Okay. I couldn't find a bigger drill before.
This is yours?
Yeah, this was mine. Mine works.
I think once you've started clearing the space with the Dremel, it'll make it easier to play.
Okay.
Because I'm finding I have to put a bit more pressure of the breath into it.
Okay.
Yeah. Can I see yours? Have you tried playing it?
No.
So I'm holding it, it's not quite straight. I'm holding it at a slight angle to get the sound.
What the heck, bro?
Yeah, it's a nice low tone, eh? Beautiful. Yes. Yeah, that's it. You got some sound? Nice. Oh yes, sorry.
I'll try to.
Yeah, you got to cut it. Yep.
I think I'm gonna cut it here in order to try
Yep.
to make another couple.
Oh yeah,
around.
yeah. There you go. Good idea. And then you can thread it through the loop. No, you got the idea though. No,
So
now it'll
I
go
have to
through the loop. Yep.
Too short.
Too short.
Yes. Unless I go.
Unroll at one time. Yeah. But up to you. Up to you. But you can redo it again. You don't have to use that one.
The didn't come make me nervous.
No, you don't have to play it. I just want to see the patterns on it.
Oh yeah.
So what's the significance of these patterns?
I was just looking at my tattoo.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice, beautiful.
Getting off of that.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. And you're from Hawaii?
Hawaii.
Yeah, cool. What was your name?
Eric.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Thank you, bro.
Well, good,
See your
man.
videos and pictures.
Oh, no. It's my pleasure, man.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, I think we need to be in the photo, guys.
Okay.
I don't know if it's going to last, but we'll try. Let's see.
You can redo it. You can do it again.
Again, another one.
Yeah.
I just did. I missed.
Or just get a longer one, like you can replace that one.
Okay.
The more lasting, the more
Yeah.
sturdy, right?
Yeah, yeah. Sarah, is yours making sound? Not sure. Alex, yours is A. Oh, that was you playing before, eh?
But that's it.
I think that one.
Oh, you're playing that one?
Yeah.
How's yours sounding?
This one is the one I made, but yeah, I have some sound, but
Yeah.
I wanted to compare those ones.
Yeah, how does it compare?
I prefer that one.
I prefer that one. Can I see yours?
Maybe I have to clean a little bit more that one. The holes, you know.
Can I see yours? Hey, you sanded down quite nicely. Also, there's a fracture here. So air might be escaping through here. So we bind that out. So that's what happens. That's why you don't want fractures, because then the air will just release. So then it doesn't sound as good.
But that does not hear anymore. Oh yeah.
Do you lash it? No. It'll close. It'll help to close.
I don't know if he's tapped
It'll just help it
You
sound
see,
better.
but people getting tapped.
How you going? Looks like you got a good bit of tension on that.
Trying to keep it straight. I
That's-
should put glasses instead of sunglasses.
Okay, that's perfect. Yeah, so you got the scissors here, get the pliers to pull it through.
One more turn or something, and then I'll put my thumb on it, hold it in place.
Yeah, I can. Do you want me to cut it for you?
Okay. So put my thumb on.
Yeah, yeah, that'll hold the tension. And you,
Before it, maybe. Or,
yeah, before it, because you still want to feed it through. Seki.
or follow the bigger one.
Yeah, you just want to pull it through.
Oh yeah. You just got this done in March. Are you thinking of getting one?
Yeah, that's it. That should be there.
Is it okay if I turn back this afternoon?
Yeah. Yep. Just an extra $200.
So maybe trim that bit off a bit before it goes in. A little bit. It's probably a bit long, is it?
Oh, that's all right. We trim it after. We can trim it after. Yeah.
I see. Okay.
You pull it through, and then it's a tricky thing to do with two hands.
Do like going under.
Yep. You don't want it to go all the way through. Like once it's like halfway, maybe, then that's enough. And then you can just trim both ends off, and that's it. Perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. And then just use a knife tool. Yeah, the knife out. It's in here.
Cigarette lighter to finish it off, eh?
Have a smoke to celebrate. Yeah, you just rock it. You don't want to leave a blade mark on there. That's it. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, you got it. So the morning session was with some of the participants who had registered formally for the official Fangufangu making session, and then in the afternoon I ran an informal session with some of the staff, the artists, and people who are volunteering here at the Tiapapata Art Centre. Yeah, keep holding it and pull it out. Just drill it, press it down and pull it out. Yeah, that's it. What are you doing, Al? You're just tidying it up? Yeah, nice. That's good.
Yeah.
That'll make it sound better.
But it doesn't sound that good.
Yeah. This will help it to sound clearer. Crystal, all good?
Yeah.
No, sila.
Malo.
And after that, you give it too much from message to try to glue it. Remember level.
I know. That's why I'm patient this time.
Maybe also then
You have
angle
to
it.
get
And angle it.
Yeah.
Malole patient. Got any sound on yours? Can I have a try?
The bamboo is soft. It is not
Okay.
Okay, sounds good.
use that rope. You know how to use this one?
Oh, I wouldn't use that one. It's too messy. It rips the skin. So I'd use this one. This one's a bit cleaner. I would suggest using it on here, like because it's stable. So you can just make some space, chuck it on.
You started touching, or you do it and then
You know how to drill?
I've never done this before.
You could try drilling on an off cut before, just over here. Practice. So yeah, that's the right form. So straight down. There's a needle at the end which will lock in place when you push it down, and then you're just giving it a bit of pressure while you're pushing down with the trigger.
But now, wait for Krista to finish on you.
Oh, you know what? It might be going in the opposite direction. Can I look?
Even you can hold you are waiting from the pancake back, give it more
Yeah.
wide.
So that's the right
What is the
direction.
buffer for? What is the buffer for?
So now I should be cutting. There we go.
Where's your nose going to be? Here.
And just pull the trigger to bring it back out again.
Whoa!
Yeah.
That's so cool.
I mean, it just spins. It's just easier to bring it out when it's spinning. You can build a house now. I can fly. Crystal, side bit. Malo. So try these just 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
But that's the right form, like just the right angle. Yeah, you got it. Are you gonna do some patterns on it? Nice. Don't be angry. Don't be angry.
Patient.
Patience. Yeah. And I'm always just kind of like pulling back to keep tension on the cord. But yeah, that's it. You got some patterns? That's really holy. Have you done like engraving carving before?
No.
That's pretty good.
First time.
Are those like some Mexican patterns or?
No, this is Samoa.
Oh, okay. Oh, sorry. All right. I'm not familiar.
Samoa.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, you like it there? Up to you. I mean, you only have a limited amount of string left anyway,
True,
so
so I'll just finish.
up to you. Yeah.
If you hold your thumb,
I'm just like resting and playing, just like pushing down. Like three, four rotations.
Do you want an adapter to charge it?
This is the charger. Oh no. It's okay.
Do you mind if I
that's so cool.
Yeah, go for it. Go for it.
your first try?
Yep. Yep. We can bring one here.
Okay,
You just
I'll
replace-
bring mine and
yeah.
so you can.
Take out the plug. Malo, malo. Okay. We're just here on the border of Malolo Lele. What a funny sounding street name for a Tongan. Malolo Lele and Tiapapata, I believe. And we're just going to head down Cross Island Road to the left. And we're heading towards Vaitele. So we finished the Fangufangu making workshop this morning. Managed to get a little bit of footage there. Steve captured the majority of it, and it was pretty successful. It was very successful. Like, everybody went away with Fangufangu that made some sound. I tested everybody's Fangufangu, and yep, they all sounded great. At least when I played it, it sounded great, and it was part of the challenge that people were struggling sometimes to get a sound themselves. But when I played it, obviously I proved that it's all good, and just a matter of practicing and a bit of technique and a bit of adjustment to get a better sound out. So it'll take a while, it's all good. So we finished with the group of people who came specifically for the workshop, and then later on in the afternoon, actually, let me just speak more about the workshop. It was real cool. There were people from Hawaii, there were people from New Zealand, Wellington, Auckland, one lady in particular who, you may be watching this, said that she follows the channel and was buzzing out to see me in the flesh. So shout out to you. I didn't quite capture your name, but appreciate you coming through and participating in the workshop. Yeah, and then there was another brother from Hawaii, Eric, and yeah, again, he said he had seen my singing videos on YouTube and whatnot. So it was cool just to hear some feedback of people who had followed some of the journey, some of the stories that I've been sharing. And yeah, I pointed out to them that the place where we were doing the Fangufangu workshop was pretty much just opposite the place where I did the Fangufangu making with the two boys from Tiapapata last year, Joe and Bruce, or Paulo. And I'm just going to overtake this truck and what's it called? Anyway, yeah, cool to meet all the people. Yeah, there was a whole family there from Hawaii, Eric's family, and a couple of yeah, there was a whole family from Hawaii who came through, and yeah, they were really lovely, and I think they loved the workshop so much that one of the friends of the family were talking about how to get the workshop to be done in Hawaii, which is an exciting idea. But I exchanged contact details with the lady, and maybe they'll add me on Facebook, and just we'll carry on the conversation from there. Anyway, it was cool. So these little opportunities came up, and then when the workshop finished, we had lunch, had a good chat, and then I know that some of the workers from the Tiapapata Art Centre were keen to do a making Fangufangu themselves, so I basically ran a second workshop with the girls from the Tiapapata Art Centre, and yeah, it was cool. The process was pretty much exactly the same, and the results were very similar, where most, if not, most of the girls managed to make one that sounded great when I played it, and then they eventually found the voice of the Fangufangu as they kept on practicing. And then we were binding the Fangufangu, and then some of them added some markings on their Fangufangu. So it was cool. We had different opportunities to just decorate and try different things with Fangufangu. So all in all, really cool afternoon. The purpose of this trip has been accomplished in terms of just facilitating the workshop. The intention of the workshop is really to contribute to the revival of Fangufangu, in this case in Samoa. And I just feel really privileged and grateful to be a part of this this opportunity, this project. Really, I've got to give a lot of thanks to Steve Percival. I was trying to remember his title, Ngalu'Lalemana. Anyway, thanks to Steve Percival and UNESCO who funded this heritage. Okay, the boys are indicating for me to overtake, and I'm overtaking, and I'm back on the normal side. Anyway, yeah, and also to Tauili Alpha Mayava, the big bro who has been traveling around the moana and capturing the stories of our instruments in moana across the Pacific, Moana Oceania. And yeah, we watched this documentary at the start of the workshop, and we shared questions and had a discussion, and Tauili Alpha had the opportunity to also join us via Zoom, and that was amazing. Man, he's just honestly a basket full of knowledge. So he's, yeah, he has such a rich experience from his travels, and so it's awesome that he's able to share that knowledge with participants today. And also it's because of him that I was able to make it here, because he was supposed to be here in Samoa helping out with the workshop, and because he couldn't make it, Stephen reached out to me, and yeah, just thankful to be here. Yeah, all in all, the workshop this morning was very successful. So then this afternoon, yeah, working with the girls, that was also really cool. I've left early. Well, everyone's made their Fangufangu. Everyone's just trying to finish off some decorations on the Fangufangu, and also just trying to get some sound from it as well, or just to practice the playing of it. So I've left early because if you've seen a previous video on this channel while I've been here in Samoa, I got a flat tire. I was driving one of the other cars from Tiapapata, got a flat tire, and unfortunately, when I pulled over to change it, the tools for changing the tire wasn't in the back of the car. So I had to flag someone down, and it took me about half an hour or so. It was a pretty desperate kind of situation because I had no reception, and yeah, it was getting late in the evening. So fortunately, somebody named Ben from Juliana Rentals, I think he might be the owner of the business. Anyway, he pulled over, checked if I was okay, came through and pulled out his tools and just changed my tire for me. So I really appreciated his help. And he refused to accept my money, which probably wasn't enough what I was offering anyway, unfortunately. But, you know, he refused to accept. Basically, it was like, you know, the deed would be pointless if I'm accepting your money by coming back to help you out. And I appreciate that. I appreciate that sentiment, but also I want to express my gratitude because I was feeling quite desperate that afternoon, that evening. And so I thought, what better way to do that than to make a Fangufangu and take it over to him. So that's exactly what we're doing. I'm not taking it directly to him. I called him to ask if he's going to be in the office, and he said he's hardly ever in the office. So I told him I'll take the Fangufangu to the office, drop it off, and leave it there for him to pick up. And that's where we're going. We're going to Juliana Rentals. So shout out to Juliana Rentals. I don't have any other connection to them apart from Ben helping me out with the flat tire, but I am forever grateful for that assistance. So shout out to Juliana Rentals. If you need a car, check out Juliana Rentals. I don't have any experience with them. I just want to give a bit of promo for them, for their assistance So we're heading there now. They're in Vaitele. So that's about, I don't know, 13 minutes away, 7.7k. So we're not too far. So we'll check back in when I head into Vaitele. Okay. All right, change of plans. I was just jamming the Fangufangu on the way at one of the lights back there, and I think I can get it to sound much better. I think there's a little bit of shaping that I need to do to the inside of the Fangufangu, but I can get it to sound much better. So I'm heading back to Tiapapata. I'll stop by somewhere for a little drink. I'm thirsty, but I'll head back and clean it up, tidy it up, get it in a better condition, because if I'm going to give it as a gift, I want it to be it'll never be perfect, but you know, as good a playable condition as possible. And I'm not satisfied with how it is at the moment, so we're heading back to Tiapapata, and yeah, we'll see what's happening there. We have DMC here on the right. I hear a lot about DMC, a fried chicken spot, dad, mother and children. But I haven't tried it yet, and I'm not that interested in trying it. But yeah, let's head back to Tiapapata. I think we're going with a taxi, bro. Oh wait, nah. I'll be careful if I have a coffee or something. Any coffee drinks? Nice coffee. Creamy coffee it is. And a small taxi, why not? Have to. How much? Oh,
50 cents.
That's 8?
Yeah.
Is that 50? Is this Samoan?
Yeah.
So I have lots of different coins. And Tala?
Yeah.
Yeah, you take it.
Thanks.
That's for you. There goes all my points. Okay, we got a small taxi. Easy money. This is small anyway. I don't need a coffee. I'll save this for later. That taxi was enough. Okay, we're back to Tiapapata, and actually I'm gonna check out this rubbish. You have a rubbish bin? Ah, yeah. Thank you. Okay, back to Tiapapata. So this is one of the Fangufangu I made this morning, which is a really massive one. We got Bruce here, who we made Fangufangu with last year, and we'll just do a little demonstration of this one. This massive Fangufangu.